Shweta is missing. Are you wondering why she is missing? It's because she is now all set with her ever energetic and enthusiastic little performers for our next act. This song has been beautifully choreographed by Shweta and Pravina, and most importantly, the children need her presence right there with them. Children are the greatest explorers of nature, bringing boundless joy and wonder into our lives. So, let's continue celebrating the happiness as they bring to our world. Happiness is found in the simplest moments, a walk in our nature, a child's giggle and a warm hug, or a song that makes our hearts to dance. Now, parents, get ready to tap your feet and soak in the joy as our little stars from Nursery C take the stage to spread smiles, energy and positivity, presenting a delightful performance to the lively beats of Santoshake, Hadu Santoshake. Here they come. We have Agasya, Prisha, Parinita, Ayushi, Arav, Nirant, Vihan and Vivan. Santoshake, Hadu Santoshake, Balu Santoshake. That was pure joy. Our little performers just filled this space with laughter, energy and so much of happiness. Hiriya Renu, Kiriya Renu. Happiness is the thread that lies all together. It reminds us no matter what life brings, a little laughter, a little dance and a lot of love can make everything better. Let's give a big round of applause for for our super little stars. Oh, Shweta, you're back?
Yes, I'm back for another special celebration today.
This dance was lively. It
Yes.
was superb.
And every practice, every rehearsal, it has always been like this. Okay. Parents, today is a special day for all of us as we celebrate the third annual day of Happy Childhood. And today is even more special for my student Vivan because today is his fourth birthday.
Wow, what a coincidence. Many, many happy returns of the day, Vivan. May God bless you with a bright future. Indeed, a very special day, Shweta.
Yes, Vivan has a special talent. He is an incredibly energetic and passionate dancer. It was his special wish to perform his favorite dance in this event, making this one of the special performances as we mentioned earlier. So maybe we'll give him a minute
Yeah.
for
You
our
want me
hero
to go
for
and
our
see?
for our Shah Rukh Khan to be ready.
I think he is ready.
Oh, and now he is all set to light up the stage with one of our favorite songs, Lungi Dance, Lungi Dance, Lungi Dance. Parents, sit back. Parents, sit back and enjoy the energetic dance for a mass song from the birthday boy.
This is the tribute to Talaiwa. मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझो को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के और रजनी फैन don't miss that chance all the Rajini fans don't miss that chance डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा on the floor आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा on the floor आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा और रजनी फैन don't miss that chance और रजनी फैन don't miss that chance
Oh! Wow, what a performance, Shweta.
Yes, that was something, wasn't it? I'm sure I can see everyone's actually standing up and dancing there.
Yeah. Continue your journey with the same passion, Vivan. So once again, happy birthday. This is the parents, as I mentioned you earlier, there are 3 special performances. This is the one. And another 2 are lined up. Please put up with us till end of the event. Shweta, nice mass dances and great music from nursery batches. I was too tapping my feet for the beats and music.
You want more?
Absolutely, it's needed now.
So now you have to get ready for some musty beats.
Wow. You mean party beats?
Yes, some songs are more than just music. They are an explosion of fun, rhythm, and excitement. And today, we bring you a performance that's all about party beats, power-packed moves, and unstoppable energy. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to turn up the energy because it's time to groove, move, and feel the unstoppable music. So fasten your seatbelts. The stage is about to be set on fire. Presenting a high energy performance on Mera Wala Dance from Nursery A.
And this dance is choreographed by Shakuntala ma'am. Here we have Aditri, Divisha, Chashvik, Ganvit, Mitanshi, Mokshita, Tanaira, Anak, and Akshobhya.
नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। मेरे इशारे पे दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया। नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया। सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है, मुंबई हो या और दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस। ये मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू। ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू। ये है मेरा वाला डांस। एक तेरे खातिर ही दिल ये पॉसेसिव है। मैं तेरे पीछे पड़ा, असर तेरा मैसिव है। हाँ, एक तेरे खातिर ही दिल ये पॉसेसिव है। मैं तेरे पीछे पड़ा, असर तेरा मैसिव है।
मैंने लाखों को लॉक करके ही तुझको दिया है जान। हे, आ दिखा दे मुझे तेरा वाला डांस, देखूं तो मैं कैसा है ये तेरा वाला डांस तो नाचूं।
ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू। ये है मेरा वाला डांस।
That was an electrifying performance. Just like Simba's, these little ones have shown us that dance is not just about the steps, it's all about the attitude, fun and pure joy. A huge round of applause for our little Simbas and for their roars. Shweta, when the beats are so vibrant, I'm sure everyone can't resist dancing crazily, right?
That's true. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
Who is known as the Indian Michael Jackson?
That's an easy one. Shweta is none other than the legendary dancer, hero, and choreographer, Prabhudeva the Great. And I'm sure most of us are his fans here. What do you say, parents?
Yes, absolutely. When Prabhudeva's beats drop, there's only one thing to do: dance crazily. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to move and feel the rhythm because something super exciting is about to take over the stage. Our little crazy dance dynamos of Nursery B are all set to set the stage on fire with their electrifying performance on Guleba. So brace yourselves for crazy footwork, unstoppable energy, and moves that will make you want to jump out of your seats. Get ready for an explosion of rhythm and power. This song is choreographed by Ashwini and Lavanya ma'am.
From crazy footwork to killer expressions, our little stars just proved that rhythm is in their DNA. They danced with pure joy, full of fun and energy. Exactly what the dance is all about. A big round of applause once again for these crazy power stars. Oops, Shweta is missing again. That means it's time to get ready for another wonderful performance from Nursery C batch. Oh, Shweta, what's next? Something special, I guess?
Well, welcome to Goa.
Goa. I always wanted to go to Goa, yeah. The beaches, the music, the... Wait a second. This dance doesn't look like Goa. Where are the palm trees? Where's the ocean? I'm not seeing anywhere. Anything over here?
Goa is not just a place. It is a vibe. It's a feeling. It's a state of mind. And today we are bringing that Goa party spirit right here, right now onto the stage.
Oh. So, you mean the music, the dance, and the Josh?
Exactly. Because what's a party without crazy dance moves, epic beats, and a little madness? And let's be honest, this is the dream destination for most of us. All right, no more waiting. Let's turn the stage into a Goa dance floor. So grab your coconut water, put on your dancing shoes, and get ready as our little party rock stars set the stage on fire with Maria Pitashe.
We have Tanvita, Adira, Mithila, Pranuja, Vinmay, Rishi, Ved, Amatya, Arjun, and Advik.
Oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, hey, oh Maria Pitashe, hey, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, hey, oh Maria Pitashe. Oh, yeah. Barra da tama melusi, istreiti comprin. Barra da tama melusi, istreiti comprin. Alegre na entrada melusi, triste na saída. Alegre na entrada melusi, triste na saída. Hey! Por amor da voz melusi, eu fico soldado. Por amor da voz melusi, eu fico soldado. Fazer a sentinela melusi, levar chicotada. Fazer a sentinela melusi, levar chicotada. Oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, hey, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, hey, oh Maria Pitashe. Hey! Anda Maria dança. Rapariga feia melusi, não se pode nascer. Rapariga feia melusi, não se pode nascer. Como a pera verde melusi, não se pode comer. Como a pera verde melusi, não se pode comer. Ai, luzi, luzi, melusi, não cuspi no chão. Ai, luzi, luzi, melusi, não cuspi no chão. Cuspir no meu peito, melusi, rega e coração. Cuspir no meu peito, melusi, rega e coração. Ai, Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, hey, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, oh Maria Pitashe, hey, oh Maria Pitashe. Ah! Shabba-da-bee-na-bum-ba-ba-dee-bum-da-bay-mo. voices. Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache. Everybody, Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache. Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache. Last time, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache.
Wow, that was like a mini Goa trip on the stage today. The energy, the moves, and those happy faces. What an amazing performance. It felt like we were right on the beach, dancing under the stars with the sounds of the waves. Thank you, super little performers, for bringing the Goan magic to the stage today. Parents, that's the end of the show from nursery batches. What a blast that was. The beats, the energy, the unstoppable moves. This party was on fire. They may be tiny, but the talent they demonstrated was mighty. The way they enjoy their dances and take pride in their performances is a source of inspiration for everyone. Well done, kiddos. Shweta, that was an amazing show by batches of nursery. A heartfelt thank you to you and your team for these magnificent performances.
Thank you, Supraja.
You are most welcome.
Our little rock stars just turned the stage into a dance floor, presenting their skills with great energy and joy. I think the audience are still dancing in their hearts. Are you?
Yeah, even I'm sure they are. The energy and the joy of these young, curious explorers are very contagious. Well, parents, we have done with the playgroup and nursery batches program. Now it's time for juniors and senior KG students of Happy Childhood to take the stage and showcase their talent and continue the rhythm of joy.
I heard that senior KG and junior KG super talented stars have been into this fusion fever. Can you brief our audience about what's coming up?
You know what makes a performance even more exciting? When different styles, beats, and cultures come across to create something magical. Now, that's where the real fun begins. A little bit of tradition, a little bit of modern, a whole lots of rhythm, and boom! You get a dance explosion. We have an exciting lineup ahead. Today, both the batches of Senior KG will be presenting a dance and Junior KG will be presenting two performances. Later, both batches of Senior KG will team up to show us unity in diversity. These all are fusion dances created by our wonderful teachers based on some fantastic themes. We still have two special dance performances ahead. Parents, I repeat, we still have two special dance performances, and in this, one you will surely enjoy. I'm sure that. Shweta, now our big boys and girls are ready to set the stage with an electrifying mix of styles that will leave us all spellbound.
That's interesting. Without further delay, shall we dive into this fusion fever? Parents, are you ready? Supraja, what are you going to start with?
Shweta, you took us to Goa, right? Now, my class wonders will directly land you in Hawaii.
Yay!
And they take you to the world tour. Are you all ready to travel?
Yes. Wait a minute, Supraja, travel the world. That sounds amazing, but don't we need passports, visa, plane ticket?
Yeah, absolutely. But not just yet, because Today, our little Globetrotters from Senior KGE are going to take us on a spectacular musical journey around the world, right from this very big stage. Get ready to witness a stunning fusion of traditional and modern dance styles celebrating the diverse and vibrant cultures of the beautiful planet.
So, who has choreographed this dance, Supraja?
I'll let you know later. I wanted to join with them. Parents, I'll take a break and rejoin you in the later parts of the show. Now, Shweta, before I leave the stage, we have a special video presentation showcasing the wonderful learning journey of our nursery kids. You connect with the wonderful moments spent with your children and rejoice in the memories. I'll be back with my Globetrotters. Thank you, parents. And also parents, get ready for a sneak peek into their world.
Thank you, Supraja, for enthusiastically leading the show so far. Parents, nursery class is a magical time when children are bursting with curiosity and asking why and how at every turn. Watching them think creatively, making corrections, and solve problems has been truly inspiring. As I reflect on my experience of teaching nursery class, I am filled with fond memories of these creative spirits and eager learners. It has been an absolute delight to witness these young children grow, explore, and develop their unique personalities. As we bid farewell to this group of rock stars, I am confident that they will continue to blossom, discover, and soar to greater heights. Wish our little stars the very best for their future endeavors. Now, I would like to invite parents from nursery to share their experiences with Happy Childhood. If anyone would like to speak, please feel free to join us on the stage.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಾಕಾರ ನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 8ರಿಂದ 10 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸನಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ವೈಫು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ 9th ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಸೇವ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಗ್ರೆಟೆಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಂಥ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಸೋಫಿಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನಘಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, I think we can continue with our program.
Allegria! Tarantella, 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 sempre quella, sempre bella. Ciao amore, saluti, auguri, andiamo, questa è la vera serata italiana. E adesso, forza maestro, tutti insieme, brasiliani, italiani, auguri! E Gennaro, piove! Dove sta? Dove sta Zazà? Io penso che sono innamorato di lei. Cornuto! E Carcamano, andiamo insieme. Allora va bene, continueremo questa bella danza, questa serata italiana. Raja. Dove se balla bene.
Parents, we really need you to cheer louder. Our kids have put in a lot of effort.
Levanta a mão pro ar e fecha o pé, arrasta mãozinha na cintura. Quero ver você dançar. Todo mundo vai cantando, o coração acelerando, dançando e rebolando sem parar. E quando o sol raiar, a alegria vai chegar. Todo mundo vai dançar, a vida vai brilhar. Quando o mundo conquistar, no samba do Brasil.
रंगीलो मारो ढोलना ढोलना
What an incredible journey that was. From the serene beaches of Hawaii to the lively tarantella rhythms of Italy, from the vibrant samba beats of Brazil to the dynamic beats of Africa, from the soothing parasol melodies to the rich traditional folk tunes of India, our little stars just took us on a spectacular global dance tour. And the grand finale, the world's favorite and all-time electrifying beat, Natu Natu from RRR, a perfect showcase of the unmatched energy of Indian music. Thank you, Supraja and young explorers of Senior KGA for showing us that dance has no borders. No matter where we come from, music and movement connect us all. Up next is an Indo-Western fusion dance performance from Senior KG girls, choreographed by their teacher Shushmita. I invite Shushmita to brief us about their dance.
Good evening, parents. Have you ever wondered what happens when a tradition meets trend? It's like adding a little spice to the classics dish. Something exciting, something fresh, and yet keeping the essence alive. And now, today, we are bringing a performance that blends the grace of Indian culture with the fiery energy of the West. So get ready, parents, for the power-packed performance filled with elegance, rhythm, and unstoppable energy by our skillful dancers. Enjoy the show. Thank you.
So now let's welcome Senior KGB girls as they take the stage for Indo-Western fusion dance beats. Let's cheer for our little divas as they swing, twirl, and light up the stage. Here they come. Wow, that was absolutely mesmerizing, wasn't it, parents? Louder! The perfect blend of tradition and modern beats, just like how East meets West. Whether it's classical elegance or modern moves, dance is all about passion, energy, and happiness. A huge round of applause for these young, talented performers who set the stage on fire. Come on, parents. No, this will not do. Louder. Yes. Our little stars just proved that dance has no boundaries. It's about feeling the rhythm, expressing joy, and celebrating every beat of life. Continuing this fusion fever, next we have two performances lined up from Junior KG. Now I invite Junior KG teacher Nivedita to join me to brief us about the Junior KG dances. Hi Nivedita.
Hi Shweta. Good evening parents.
Nivedita, can you brief us about the upcoming dance?
Sure Shweta. Have you ever wondered how dance has evolved over the years in the Indian film industry?
Yeah, I do wonder. The retro era was full about charm, grace, and those iconic moves of yesteryear, timeless and truly unforgettable. And now in the metro era, it's all about fast beats and fusion styles and electrifying energy.
Exactly. From the graceful moves of the golden retro era to the high energy grooves of today's metro beats, dance has transformed in the most magical ways. And today, our little junior KG stars are ready to take us on a time traveling journey, straight from the golden days of retro to the dazzling world of metro beats. This dance performance that fuses songs from different eras, from the good old times to the current hip numbers, has it all. It's going to be a fun, quickie journey, which will indeed make you groove. So let's get ready to be entertained by these little ones.
Now, parents, let's get ready to groove with our little tiny rock stars as they bring the best of both worlds to the stage. Presenting Retro to Metro, a performance filled with rhythm, nostalgia, and excitement. This song has been choreographed by our dance teacher Shubha. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
नमस्ते बहनों और भाइयों, बड़े ही कम शब्दों में आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ उस साल का लोकप्रिय गीत ये।
Ina mina dika, daida menika, maga naga naga, dika pika dika. Ina mina dika dika de daida menika, maga naga, dika pika rola dika, ram pam poch, ram pam poch. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं इसी का दीवाना. तो झूमो, तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो. Go! I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा
गोरे 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 बोले बोले नए नए गोरे गोरे देखो देखो हम दोनों मीते हैं सुनो सुनो दिल के जो गीत हैं पर सुन नहीं पाए इन्हें ना कोई हमारे सिवा
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी
गोरे 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 बोले बोले नए नए गोरे गोरे
ਨੌਂਦੀਆਂ ਧੁੰਮਾਂ ਪੈ ਗਈਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਮਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਨੀ ਪੱਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਢੋਲੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ
Yeah, proof.
हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Wow, that was an absolute blast, wasn't it? Well, we want Nivedita ma'am back on the stage. That was amazing, Nivedita. What choreography and what energy by your kids.
That's what, right? If we are in good energy, they'll show the same, right?
Yes.
So that's the magic of dance. It bridges generations, blends styles, and it keeps evolving.
From the graceful twirls of the past to the electrifying swag of the present, our little performers just took us on a mesmerizing journey through time. So let's give them one last big round of applause for their fabulous performance. No, louder. Otherwise the next batch will not come.
Yeah, louder. Come on.
Whether it was the charm of retro beats or the high energy metro vibes, they owned the stage with their incredible moves.
Hey, Shweta. So there is the saying, winners are not born, they are made.
Oh yes, Nivedita. True champions are those who never give up, who face challenges with courage and who keep pushing forward. Because Jo Jeeta, Wohi Sikandar.
Exactly. If you win, you are the king, the champion. And today we have a performance that embodies that very spirit, energy, determination, and the joy of victory. With its high energy beats and encouraging lyrics, these songs will inspire you and fill you with hope. Kids need this kind of motivation in their lives. So this performance is dedicated to all the young ones out there. Rise and shine, kids.
Our junior KG kiddos are here to set the stage on fire with a power-packed champion performance. So get ready to witness the passion, the confidence, and the unbeatable spirit of our little champions. Let's cheer for our young stars as they showcase what it truly means to be a winner. Put your hands together for our junior KG little champions.
जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे, घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, अरे हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान,
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें,
तू क्या चाहता है हमारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। दी आरज़ू रुक न जरा न तू, राहें तुझसे है रूबरू, थोड़ा सा तू रख सबर, थोड़ी कर जल्दबाजियां, मंजिलों पे रख नजर, सफर लंबा है, ओ शेर की चाल चल रहा बन के तू आग जल रहा, सांस में आंधिया लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा, ये ज़मानों में शोर है तेरे हाथों में जोर है, इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा, तू है चैंपियन।
Wow, that was a performance full of energy, confidence, and winning spirit. A big round of applause. These little powerhouses, they dance their way into our hearts. And of course, a huge thank you to our teachers and parents for supporting and encouraging these young talents. Now, Nivedita, here we would like to present an insightful glimpse into the academic year of our beloved junior KG students. From their first steps into the classroom to their moments of discovery and growth. This presentation highlights the remarkable journey of our little learners as they embark on their academic adventure. enrich our community and inspire lifelong memories. From seasonal festivals and cultural gatherings to themed parties and talent shows, every occasion is an opportunity for children to bond, express themselves, and embrace diversity. Our commitment ensures that our traditions continue to thrive, providing enriching experiences for all. Ensuring the seamless execution of these events is our dedicated leader, Neetu, who tirelessly oversees every detail to ensure that each child and staff member is an integral part of our celebrations. Through these vibrant experiences, we not only celebrate milestones, but also foster a sense of belonging, unity, and shared excitement that transcends generations. Parents to all, stay put as we have some more exciting performances coming up. Before that, Nivedita ma'am, would you like to share your experience?
Definitely. Thank you, Shweta, for reminding us of the joy and pride we feel in witnessing the growth of our students. So I just want to say I'm really proud of my kids for putting in so much effort, and they did their best. Well done. I hope all of you enjoyed their performances as well. So while recollecting this whole year, I feel it was just like yesterday when these little ones came into my classroom. Some were teary-eyed, some were scared, going into the unknown. So now even if I tell them jokingly, I'll send you back to nursery, they do not like that idea. So if you ask me how the year has passed by, I will say in a blink. It has been a journey full of fun and giggles, lots of learning and exploring. To me, these are the most precious memories. Their sweet banters, complaints, their warm hugs and smiles. It's truly unforgettable. Now, I would like to thank my co-teachers, Tanushri ma'am and Sunanda ma'am, for bearing with me throughout the year and supporting me in the best way possible. It would not have been an easy journey without them. So thank you so much. Lastly, kudos to all the HT staff for working tirelessly throughout the year while carrying a smile on their faces. It's truly admirable. Well, thank you everyone for listening, and that's enough from my side. Now, I would like to invite parents from Junior KG to share their experiences with Happy Childhood. If anyone would like to speak, please feel free to join us. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Samriddhi. My son studies here in Junior KG, Riyansh. And I'm so glad that my husband and I took this decision of enrolling him in this school, because I saw today, has become entirely a different person. I remember how he was earlier, reserved into his shell, and today he was all confident and ready to face the world. So thank you so much. I'm a teacher, so I know it's not easy what they have done today, and done it so well. I know half of the population they've already head home, but I know everyone who's still there will agree that we found it very difficult to stick to wherever we were sitting, so they made it very enthralling, engaging, energetic, and enchanting. So thank you so much to the entire team, right from principal to teachers to helping staff. I'm in awe. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So, my son studies in Junior KG. His name is Vikrant. So, me and my wife were talking when we were coming in the car, where we felt like it is so surreal to see our son performing in a school day, because me and my wife studied from 5 years together till now. So, yeah, it is surreal to see him perform here, and we have been very happy. I think it's third year for him now, and yeah, we are very happy that we are associated with Happy Childhood. Thank you.
My son Sutit is done his play group, nursery, and now he's in Junior KG. Really, it's our LKG, UKG and all is not memorable, but these children's nursery, LKG, UKG will be most memorable because of Happy Childhood. Thank you for you. And lots of change we have seen. My child is born in COVID-19 time. Socialization was very less, but after putting to Happy Childhood, he learnt everything that is truly good. Thank for Jaidev sir. and all this stuff.
I have been talking about the special performance of the evening. One was by Vivan, and now it's time for the second special performance. This wonderful act has been choreographed by Mona Lisa and is presented by our daycare children. At Happy Childhood, we believe in giving our tiny tots the perfect platform to express themselves, and today is no exception. Up next, we have our adorable daycare children ready to set the stage on fire with their energetic and super fun dance performance to the peppy Bollywood number Tukuru Tukuru. Their little feet are all set to tap to the beats, and their expressions will surely steal your hearts. So parents, please put your hands together and welcome our daycare children, little rock stars, with a big round of applause. Please put your hands together, parents.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है, क्रिकेट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए जालिमा। जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा, जान ले वहाँ तेरी अदा, दिल वाले भी का दिल चुराए जालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो जले, दुनिया जलती है तो जले, रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे ढालमा।
Whoa, that was absolutely delightful. Our little ones just prove that when it comes to enthusiasm and energy, they are second to none.
Indeed, from their adorable expressions to their perfect little dance moves, they have truly won our hearts today. Let's give them one more hug. Round of applause. A big thank you to our wonderful daycare coordinator Mona Lisa and caregivers who helped in choreograph and did. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the golden beaches of Kanyakumari, from the deserts of Rajasthan to the lush greenery of the northeast, every corner of India echoes with diversity, unity, and the spirit of freedom. To celebrate this incredible nation through the powerful rhythm of a patriotic song, today our little senior KG stars are here to fill our hearts with pride and love for our motherland with their performance on Jayato Jayato Bharatam. So, let's rise in spirit, clap along, and let our hearts swell with national pride as our young stars bring this powerful tribute to India.
This song is choreographed by our dance teacher Shubha, along with our teachers Supraja and Shushmita. All the children from both the batches are taking part. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Suri
attitude పొంగల్ ఇట్స్ ఎ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ పొంగల్
കാന്ത ഞാനും വരാം തൃശൂർ പൂരം കാണാൻ
দেখমন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখমন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর কুমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো বলো বলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো দুগ্গা এলো जयतु जयतु भारतम् जयतु जयतु भारतम् विश्व प्रेम की बाढ़ चदरिया
जागा हुआ भारत है
जागा हुआ भारत है ये 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 जयतु जयतु भारतम् जयतु भारतम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
भारतम्
जयतु जयतु भारतम्
हो जाएंगे नई राहें लिख देंगे आशाएं श्वास मेरी प्राण मेरा तू ही मेरा मन
बस तू ही है प्रेम मेरा पहला और प्रथम
धर्मधात्री कर्मधात्री जन्मधात्री कई
माणुवणुधारकोऽसि अंकितमौता
सुर अनेक स्वर अनेक एक है धड़कन
शब्द सारे भाव सारे हैं तुझे अर्पण सुर तेरे स्वर तेरे कोई तड़कन
भक्त मोर श्रद्धा मोर तू मते अर्पण प्रेम का मृदंग रंग एकता का तू
युगों युगों से एक छंद साधना का तू
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಣ್ಣ ಸೇರಿ ಮಿಡಿವ ಪ್ರೇಮ ನಾದನಿ ಯುಗ ಯುಗಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಶಿಖರ ನಾದನಿ तेरी शान तू महान ज्योति तू किरण
पवन पवन गगन गगन करे तुझे नमन
ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಮಾಡು ನೀ ಕೆಡ ಬಿಳತ್ತು ನೀ
लिवान भूमि निंदे मुल्ले कुंबिडुनिदा
जागर हमार भारत है एक जागे उठो भारत सजो आज जागृत हम भारत नारी इंडिया बाजार बिको जयतु जयतु भारतम् जयतु भारतम्
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
भारतम्
जयतु जयतु भारतम्
जयतु भारतम् जयतु भारतम्
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
भारतम्
जयतु जयतु भारतम्
न्याय न्याय बात लिख दे सब आशाएं तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय अंधकार को जीते मन यही प्रार्थना करता भारत विजयी भव मानव जीवन विश्व प्रेम की ओर चढ़ विश्व प्रेम की ओर चढ़रिया जयतु जयतु भारतम् जयतु भारतम्
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् जयतु जयतु भारतम्
जयतु भारतम्
Wow, that was truly heartwarming. The passion, the energy, and the love for our nation. Our little stars just made us feel it all. India is not just a land, it is a feeling. And today, these young performers remind us that of our greatness of our motherland. Their performance was not just a song, it was a salute to the spirit of India. Let's keep the patriotic spirit alive in our hearts, not just for today, but every day. A huge round of applause once again for our little stars.
Jai Hind. Let's continue celebrating this incredible journey of our nation and the bright future that lies ahead with a standing ovation to our motherland. Let's rise together and applaud the spirit of India. I request parents for the standing ovation. Jai Hind. Thank you, Shweta. Parents, you can be seated. We still have the last performance. There's a special performance. Beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen, the moment you have all been waiting for, this final surprise is finally here. Presenting a much anticipated special performance by our wonderful teachers of Happy Childhood. While teaching dazzling moves to the children, we rediscovered the child within us, and now we couldn't resist the urge to perform. Our teachers are not only amazing educators, but also incredible dancers who are ready to rock the stage. Now, with a great pride, we present the final special performance of the evening, our amazing, dazzling teachers. Parents, please, let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Sorry, I couldn't control, the overwhelming atmosphere what they have created here. It made me to come and speak here again. I was actually observing the teachers who were guiding each and every troop during every performance. It was like, do hell with the world around me. All I need is my kids should perform well without missing even a single step. Anyone was observing that? Please raise your hands. Am I right? So, a big round of applause to each and every teachers. They deserve a standing ovation actually. In fact, if there was a camera facing the audience, I would really use the video clippings of each teacher to explain what the meaning of dedication is. I really mean it. So, I have just jotted down few lines in Kannada during this annual day. Jaidev sir, nimge ondu salute. Since they are getting ready, I'll just read it quickly. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಕೈಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಓಡುವ ಈ ಕೋಳಿ ಮರಿಗಳು, ಮೂಗಿನ ಹೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೋಡುವ ಬೆರಳುಗಳು, ಕೆದರಿದ ತಲೆಗೆ ಮಣ್ಣೆರಚುವ ತರಳೆಗಳು, ಕಿಟಾರಣೆ ಚೀರುವ ಲೌಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಗಳು, ಇವರನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ, ಉದುರುವ ಲೂಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಗಳು, ಗುಂಪು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅತ್ತಿತ್ತ ಓಡುವ ಸಲಗಗಳು, ಕುಣಿಯುವಾಗ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮರೆಯುವ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕಾಲುಗಳು, ಇವರನ್ನು ಪಳಗಿಸಲು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳು. ಅಹಂಕಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ಈ ಮುಗ್ಧ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳು, ಭೇದ ಭಾವದ ಸುಳಿವೇ ಇಲ್ಲದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ದೇವರುಗಳು, ಕಟುಕನನ್ನು ನಗಿಸಬಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದ ಚಿಲುಮೆಗಳು, ಇವರನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳು. ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ನಿರತ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು, ಸೊಂಟ ಬಾಗಿದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತಂದಿರು, ಸಮಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅರಸುವ ಮುದ್ದು ಕಂದಮ್ಮಗಳು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಸರೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗಳು. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಕೈಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಓಡುವ ಈ ಕೋಳಿ ಮರಿಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
I also want to say a few words. What they've put up here is an unbelievable task, and most of the things I think are micromanaged by Jaidev sir, and I know he's sitting there and doing everything silently without coming onto the stage, but I think all the teachers do agree, and each and every one have been given a specific task by sir that I'm sure, and even in school I think he puts in a lot of effort, and each and every even whatever things to play, the activities, however he's planned, everything is thought of and done with utmost care. And the teachers, I'm really in awe with what you people have done, being MCs, being teaching the children over the past 2 months, and choreographing. My God, all of you are dancing so well. Amazing task. And not to talk less about all the akkas, I think they have managed the kids really well. Each of them taking care of them behind, backstage, getting them ready, giving them food. Really hats off to all of you. And this school is a success. And I think sir has all the credit to take as well as the teachers. Yeah, thank you.
சிரிப்போ இல்ல மின்னல் அடிக்குது ஆச பொண்ணுக்கு அச்சர டம் டம் சர டம் டம் சர டம் டம் புதுசா ஒரு வெக்கம் முளைக்குது குடிச்சா ஒரு வெப்பம் அடிக்குது வேட்டி ஒண்ணு சேலைய தாங்கட்டி விட்டு சிக்கி தவிக்குது மாற டம் டம் மஞ்சர டம் டம் மாத்து அடிக்க மங்கள டம் டம் மோர டம் டம் மோதிப்பி டம் டம் மோங்கி கட்டிக்கும் முத்திக டம் டம் மாற டம் டம் மஞ்சர டம் டம் மாத்து அடிக்க மங்கள டம் டம் மோர டம் டம் மோதிப்பி டம் டம் மோங்கி கட்டிக்கும் முத்திக டம் டம் திருச்சி வந்தல்லே திரிக்க விட்டான் மன்னல்லே திருத்தி வைக்கான் மன்னல்லே திட்டம் உண்டல்லே சேட்டன் மன்னல்லே சேட்ட செய்யா வந்தல்லே பேட்ட துளான் மன்னல்லே வேட்டையனல்லே
விரட்டி பட்டையடி நொறுங்கணுண்டா மோனே உருமி மொட்டையனு இறங்கி வானே முடிய கலச்சு முட்டு நீ நடந்து போன நரம்பு பொறிச்சுக்குதே கொல்தனுவானா அடி 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 அம்மா சொன்ன மனசுலாயோ அடி 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 ஒன்னா நின்னா மனசுலாயோ Hey my golden sparrow
பாமா பாமா கம்மன் சிங்கு குயின தேடி வந்தான் கிங்கு டைலா டைலா பிபி டும்மு மாலை மாத்தி போடு ரிங்கு கோல்டன் ஸ்பாரோ என் நெஞ்சில ஆரோ நீ இல்லாத லைஃப் ரொம்ப சாரோ மாஸ்க் ஆஃப் சாரோ நம்ம பையன் தான் ஹீரோ சிங்கிங் டூயட் வேற யாரோ
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार ओ आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
that's the end of the show. We have for the dances, the last performance, that is the graduation day we are going to do for senior KG children. They wanted to say some, thank you for all of us. Parents, are you ready? This is the last item of the evening. I don't want you to be here. Afterwards, you can go home, take rest, enjoy, and carry these memorable moments throughout our lives. So let's welcome senior KG children.
It is my great honor to introduce to you today our graduating class. As they turn the page to the next chapter of their lives, they'd like to say something very special to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little birds, two little birds, two little birds, fly. It's the end of the year. Congratulations! Our two little birds, our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take our turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You helped us to tie our shoes, learn shapes and color too. There's so many things you do. We just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done.
Woo! Thank you, children. And thank you, parents. Thanks for bearing us from the past 4.5 hours, I guess. Thanks a lot. Good night, Shubh Ratri. And further, for future commitments and all, we'll be letting you know in the next week, probably. So it's regarding the summer camp and the admissions for the next year. Those who would like to continue with the Happy Childhood, you can block the seat by paying 5K. Other details and all will be shared on the WhatsApp group. Thank you, parents. Thanks a lot.